Okay, so good morning, everybody. Today's session is going to be brief. We're starting very, very late. Sorry about that. I was finding way to come to the office. Uh, Today has been wild, honestly. Um, so I think I'm going to skip the whole introduction part. Everybody knows this is our market analysis session. So let's jump on right on it. Yeah. So we have high impact news on CAD by 2:30, and then we have by 4 p.m. on USD, and then 10:45 p.m. That time I'll be sleeping already on NZD. So let's jump on our charts. That's where it's more important for me. Sec. Good. Good. So now, if you guys remember, yeah, flashback. Last week we highlighted this is AUD USD. We're basically what ranging, and then today we exited the range. If you look at it on the 4 history, that's our directional time frame. Those that did top-down analysis yesterday, you can see that we actually what exited that range. We actually what shifted structure to the downside now. Now, after shifting structure, what are we going to be looking at? I think basically, yeah, or fundamentally, I'll be looking at price coming back into this for AUD USD because there's no clear, the whole break is just more like a slope. So I think I'll just wait for price. It's not, I think I'll just wait for price to get here first before I can react. If I see any sell reactions or sell indicators, then I'll just jump on it. Or sell confirmations, then I'll jump on the sell to the downside. But then we're actually what's bearish right now. So let's just see how it goes. But we have actually exited the range. I think that's the most important thing for me right now. I think at some point I was getting scared that, oh, I saw this market will continue the range throughout the year. How I could make money. But then we have actually exited the range. Now, ADSD has started doing something very sweet. So this was the move that exited the range. This whole push to the downside here. This whole push to the downside, this one here. Then after that push, if you observe, let me delete this place. Plot your fib. We had, sorry, first of all, we had what? A low, sort of a lower high, then a lower low. Do you get? Now price is pushing up. Price is already trying to tap into this whole support that can actually hold as a resistance. It's tapping into that low right now. It's going there. If we plot our fib, we see that that area is just exactly at the 0.618. So that's an area that we can be looking to take a sell from. You get, so something like this is just to wait for price to get there first. Something like this, and then stop loss above here. And then we'll target here. We'll target down here. So we'll target down here, yeah, something like this. We'll target something like this. Very simple 3-hour trade. So for now, it's just to wait for price to get there. I'll set an alert just above there. Just above there. Set an alert there. When price started to reach, we'll go no. I think price might even get there now. Let's just keep it and see. Then what other pair are we going to look at? Let's check my red list. I say I'll not trade these ones, but then I was always analyzing them. Has GBP USD exited the range? Let me see. Not really. I don't trust this one. This pair is very much ranging. It's still ranging. That's not exited. I'll wait for more price action on this before I can say anything about it. Then Euro USD, what do we have here? This one has not exited the range. So it's only the ADUSD and then NZUSD that have exited. This one is still inside that big fat range. So let's just wait and see. We might actually, this move to the downside might exit the range. Now, GBP JPY. GBP JPY too is ranging. Wow. It's ranging. Funny thing is, if you guys observe here, GBP JPY has not, how will I put it? We actually formed this something inverse head and shoulder here, yeah, that I will show you guys last week. The one that ate my money on Friday. Yeah. We pushed to the upside, we came back and then we still reacted at that zone. We pushed to the upside again. And price has just been ranging there. It's just tapping into that support, tapping into resistance, tapping into the support. So it's just to wait for it. This one now, it has a range. You have to wait for it to exit. And I think this is ranging because GBP USD itself is ranging. So this one is basically a cross pair of GBP USD. I think that's why it's still ranging. Then gold. People are shouting this morning on that group chat that gold has exited the range. Halimat. It's Halimat still.
Sir?
You be the shout say gold don't exist.
Sir? Sir?
That gold has been selling. Where
I
this
don't say exist. I say he sell now talk.
this thing is not up
He
to
sell now.
gold has been even yesterday gold sold. This was a sell. This was another sell. So why is this sell special? I'm not saying
No, I just they talk and they don't be saying anything that.
see, they think we should pay attention on gold.
I'm just saying it's like it's not as if it's
Gold
special.
gold has actually exited the range. Yeah? It's trying to create what a lower low. Do you understand? Once it creates that lower low, can watch out, say, yeah,
A
and
lower low.
create
Yeah.
lower high. Then that's where we'll be looking to jump on the sell to the downside. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
So just calm down. All those ones that I'm seeing people say low risk, low risk. Let me not come and hear that somebody's account blew again.
Okay, sir.
Nice one. Okay, I think the next one is USD JPY. How did USD JPY end up on my watch list? There's nothing to see here. It's ranging.
I think the last time we did.
Okay, analysis in class, yeah. I'm going to remove that. So
Yes.
so far we've looked at all the pairs it's not as if I trade, but then all the pairs I'm interested in. So is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Or what questions do you guys have? Okay, in the absence of any is anybody speaking? Okay, in the absence of any question or any confusion or any pair to look at, the only position we have now is on NZD USD. So let's just pay attention and see how price behaves. Yeah. I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Okay.
Sorry, tomorrow is going to be early. Have a very good day.
Bye.